What's up guys, Rodrigo here, welcome back. Today we are going to be talking about the Bitcoin price, Ethereum and Cardano. And also we are going to be talking about some news. There is a huge exchange leaving the crypto space in Canada as the CSA, Canadian Securities Administrators, is pushing new rules against the crypto market. So stick with me until the end to understand everything about it, and let's go to the charts. Here for the Bitcoin chart, on the daily time frame, we can see that we finally broke out of this symmetrical triangle. In the last video that I uploaded, it wasn't broken yet, but we finally did break it to the downside. And if you watched my collaboration that I did with Andy, you saw that I was talking about this level right there as a really good possible level for the prices to have a pullback. If you remember, I was explaining about the importance of this level of the 200 EMA. And exactly at this price, you can see that the bulls stepped in and pushed the price upwards again. Exactly as I said, we just touched the 200 EMA and the prices went up 5%. So what are we expecting now for the Bitcoin prices in the next days and weeks? Now we are expecting the target of the symmetrical triangle to be hit as we broke this support of the triangle. So the target here is all the way down to 24K. And this level of this target here also coincides with the Fibonacci retracement of all this movement here. Exactly right there. That's what we are expecting for the Bitcoin the coming days. But before that, of course, we can still going up on this relief rally to the upside, coming up this way and eventually retesting this previous support as a new resistance before we go all the way down to the target. I also want you to pay attention on this 25K level here. It can be a place to expect some support as well, some consolidation here before finally hitting the target, because you can see that his previous resistance here several times. Let's go back a little bit more. Resistance here. Not only this, but we also had a huge volume traded on this zone, as you can see right here. So this is going to be a good point of support as well. This being said, I'm going to be looking to open some short position in the retest of this resistance wherever it happens. We don't know where it's going to be, but I'm going to be watching these levels to be shortened. And if you want to start trading as well, but you don't know how to do this, don't worry, I got you. I'm preparing for you a tutorial video on Bybit. I'll be explaining you everything how to open a short or a long position. I will teach you everything you need to know to open your own long and short position so you don't miss the next movements of the market. If that sounds interesting for you, hit the bell button and don't miss the next videos. Now talking about the bullish scenario, I wanted you to pay attention once more. Yes guys, I'm bringing this once more in this video because it's so important. The 200 MA, the 200 moving average. And as you can see here, the level of the 200 EMA was always a huge level of support for Bitcoin. Every single time we touched it, we went to the moon, let's say. We went up. We had a great rallies to the upside. This here was the only time on the Bitcoin history that we broke it to the downside. We retested it as a resistance and we went all the way down to 15K. Now we broke above it again, and exactly right now where we are retesting it again once more as a support. So right now, if we manage to hold this level as a support, we are about to see great movement to the upside for the Bitcoin prices, as the history shows. Okay, so despite all this bearishness that we are seeing on the daily time frame, let's pay attention on this because it's very important. Cardano Head and shoulders, broke the neckline, consolidation, as I said already, as you know already. Now we are coming to retest the level of the neckline. It is very important, not only because it is the neckline of the head and shoulders, but as you can see, it is also a huge level because it is, as you can see right there, it is the level that we had the most volume traded since March 23 when we started this bull rally. So let's pay attention on this. This place here is also going to be a good place to be shorting ADA Cardano. But of course, don't open your short position right now. First, we want to see how the price reacts to these levels, okay? So let's wait and see. For Ethereum, we are having this head and shoulder as well. It's not a really beautiful one, I would say, because of this spike right there, but anyways, it is still a head and shoulders. And same scenario here, broke the neckline, retesting it as a resistance. The difference here is that we are already retesting the neckline for Ethereum, not like Cardano that we are on the way. For Ethereum, we are already testing it, as you can see. The target of these head and shoulders here for Ethereum is all the way to 1500, 1500, as you can see. And this right here is indeed a important level for Ethereum, as I'm going to show you right now. Guess what? If we take the volume traded in all this movement here, guess what is going to be the place where we had the most volume traded? Boom! Exactly, right there, right to the dot. So we are having some confluence here as well because of it. And now guys, talking about some news, Binance just quit Canadian market. Yes guys, it is not the first exchange to leave Canadian market. Before that we had OKX leaving Canada on March. We had also DYDX leaving Canada on April. All these crypto exchanges are leaving Canada right now because the CSA are prohibiting firms from permitting clients to enter into crypto contracts to buy and sell any crypto assets. So yes guys, they are closing the crypto space over there. I don't think this information is going to bring major movements on the prices, but I'm bringing this because I wanted to keep you informed. Okay guys, that's it for today. Thank you very much for being here with me until the end. If you enjoyed this video, make sure to press the like button. If you're not a subscriber, subscribe, hit the bell, and I see you in the next time. Stay focused!